Let's start with the exercise 1.6 of set theory. This exercise comprises of the practical problems based on union and intersection. Exercise comprises of 8 questions. First question is nx, that's number of elements in set X. It's 17. Similarly for Y it's 23. Then union means total elements lie inside X and Y, that is 38. Then X intersection Y we have to calculate, means which elements are common in both X and Y, that is to be calculated. Now the highlighted point is you have to learn this formula N A intersection B plus N A union B is equal to NA plus NB. Let us prove this. Suppose this set is there. Set A is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and set B is 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Clearly N A intersection B, 2 elements are there. N A union B, 9 elements are there. But in NA 5 elements are there and NB 6 elements are there. Now if you find the total of these two terms, it's equal to NA plus NB. This formula is known as inclusion-exclusion principle, and we have to apply this formula. Please keep in mind NA intersection B plus NA union B is equal to NA plus NB. Now apply the same formula here. Nx intersection Y, just subtract the value of the union from right hand side. Nx plus Ny minus Nx union Y. Nx is given to you, that is 17. Second value is 23 and third value is given to you, that is 38. Calculate this value, 40 minus 38, the answer is 2. In second question, X and Y are two sets such that X union Y has 18 elements, X has 8 elements and Y has 15 elements. How many elements does X intersection Y have? Nx union Y is 18 and Nx is 8 and Ny is 15. Now apply simply the formula Nx plus Ny minus Nx union Y. It's 8 plus 15 minus 18. 23 minus 18. The answer is 5. That is common elements. In question number 3, N Hindi means a student who speak Hindi or people who can speak Hindi is 250 and English it's 200 and union means total is 400. And we have to calculate the common people who can speak both Hindi and English. It means NH intersection E. NH plus NE minus NH union E. First value is given to you, that is 250. Second is 200 and union is, that is total is 400. Answer is 450 minus 400, that is 50. In question number 4, S and T are two sets and NS is given to you and T is given to you, then intersection is given to you. You have to calculate union. It's similar to the previous one, NS plus NT minus NS intersection T. That's 21 plus 32 minus 11. It is 53 minus 11, that is 42. In question number 5, Nx is given to you, that is 40. Nx union Y is given to you and intersection is given to you. You have to calculate the number of elements of the second set. Simply insert the given values in the formula n x union y, x intersection y, then x plus y. 60 plus 10 is equal to 40 plus ny. 70 is equal to 40 plus ny. It means you can calculate the value of ny, that is 30. In question number 6, n coffee means number of people who take coffee or like coffee. Second is who like tea. This count is 37 and this count is 52, and total people are 70. And you have to calculate the people who like both coffee and tea. NC plus NT minus NC union T. It's 37 plus 52 minus 70. It's 89 minus 70. It's 19. In question number 7, the student or people who like cricket and who like cricket and tennis, then total, and you have to calculate tennis and not cricket, the people who like tennis only. And second is people who like tennis. Now let us try to calculate this. NC is given to you, NC intersection T is given to you, then union is given to you. First of all, calculate NT according to the formula. NC union T, NC intersection T is equal to NC plus NT. Insert the values. 65 plus 10 is equal to 40 plus NT. 75 is equal to 40 plus NT, then NT is clearly 35. Now, you have to calculate NT intersection C complement. It means you have to delete T intersection C from the set T. 35 minus 10, that is 25. In intersection, the people who like coffee are there. Actually, you have to calculate T only. That's why we have to subtract 10 and the answer is 25. Question number 8 is the last question of this exercise. Number of people who speak French, then Spanish. Number of people who speak Spanish and French, it's 10. First value is 50, then 20, then 10. Clearly, you can calculate union. It's 20 plus 50 minus 10, that's 70 minus 10, answer is 60. Hope you understand the concept of applying the inclusion-exclusion formula. In the next video, I will discuss the miscellaneous exercise of this chapter, that is set theory.